2013 Ford Fusion. This issue also in the 14, 15, 16, 17, I believe 18 too, and also different cars, similar issue. It always show the hood ajar. It tells you that the hood is open, but the hood is not open, the hood is closed. So as you can see, the hood latch is fully closed. This here is fully closed. It has two latch, but this is the one here on the driver's side, and it's let me bring a light. As you can see here, it's fully closed. So anyway, I'm gonna show you an easy way to know what's the problem is, and show you a few things. Compare this to the new one. So the latch itself is the problem. This latch right here with two screws. Let me get to it. Let me station the camera for 1 second, please. Okay, so the trick is I'm gonna unplug this harness right here, this connector. It's connected to a smaller switch. When the hood closed, fully closed, it's supposed to close the circuit here into those two wires. Close the circuit. As soon as I close the circuit, it shows you that the hood is fully closed. So I'm gonna unplug this here, and without a computer or anything, I'm gonna cross these with either paper clip or a small wire. Let me get a small wire here. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna also open the hood so you can see. So I'm gonna very much short these two wires or close the circuit, and that will confirm the issue is the latch. The switch comes completely with the sensor in it. So as you can see, this is closed. I'm gonna go inside the car and see if the light went away. So here I'm inside the car, and as you can see, the light went away. I'm gonna start the car. This is hybrid, so you can't hear it. So you can see it's on. So you can see there's no light. Alright, so I'm gonna open the hood. That's the driver's side door ajar. Okay, see, I opened the hood. I'm gonna fully open it and see what's going on here. All right. So here is I keep moving the camera, I'm sorry. Okay, so here is the hood is fully open, and this connector is closed. It's shorted very much, and you can see there is no light for the hood. So as soon as I remove this connector here and I plugged it, the hood, you can see it right there, it says hood ajar. So that confirms, without computer, without using a scanner, this is supposed to tell you that this little switch that connects to this connector, which is gonna show you the new one, is right here. It's this one right here. I'm gonna show you also here on the bench to show you what's exactly happening when I do what I just did. So now here is the old latch. This cable connects here through here. You just have to push this one in this way to get this thing off. and you have to crimp those two clips. Okay, and this is the switch having all the problem. That's what's causing the computer not to see if the hood is closed or open. It sees it all the time as it's open. Alright, here is the new latch, and this is the new switch comes with it. This is very much available all over the internet. It's available on eBay, on Amazon, everywhere. Between $20 to $40. It's your choice. So the latch right now is closed. It's like, in another sense, it's like the hood is already closed. So we're gonna do a continuity test. Okay, let me turn this light off. Okay, so here is the continuity test. As you can see, it's beeping, and as soon as you open the hood this way, see that? You close the hood again, so that's what it's telling the computer right now. Okay, the hood is closed. Alright, open the hood, no continuity. Let's do the same thing on the old one. I'm touching these together. Okay, here is the old one. As you can see, no continuity. Let's my clamp touching each other here. All right, so let's close this. Let's close the hood. Okay, hood is closed right now. There's no continuity. It's all the time it's telling the computer this hood is always open. So when you, as you can see, the cable is connected, and let's open the hood, nothing happened. Okay, close the hood. Hood is closed, nothing happening. Okay, so this sensor is bad. Again, go back to this one. The hood is open. Let's close the hood. As you can see. Alright, so again, this is the problem, and I'm gonna put this back in on the car, and that should fix it. So this is the issue. Let me turn this off. So this is very much is the issue. Old latch, new latch. Okay, it comes with everything. It's easy to change. It's not that expensive. Alright, thank you for watching.